Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use prompt AI. Okay, so prompt AI gives you the opportunity to create different kind of things, from images to text to even create videos and create voices. You can see all of them from here and many more. And one of the key things I like about this AI tool is the fact that you can compare the results of different AI tools at the same time. For example, you can decide to ask them questions and you can be able to see the results simultaneously. So let's start by testing, for example, ChatGPT and maybe other different versions of AI tools. So let's come over here, compare models. This is it. So once you click, you'll be able to be exposed to these three different types of models. All you need is just to enter a question, right? So let's say we ask it the same question. So you can see it is writing at the same time. Can you explain the term photosynthesis and give me all the chemical formula, okay, to understand this? So in all this, we can define what kind of model you want to use. For example, in this case, I want to go with ChatGPT 5. Okay, you can come down to ChatGPT 4 and so on. You can see ChatGPT 5.1, 4.1 and so on. So let's say we are going with ChatGPT 5, and over here you have Claude Sonnet. You may decide to change it, but let's say we'll go with it. And the next one is we have DeepSeek R1. You can type something different if you're interested. But then let's say we go with these three at the same time, answering the same question. So let's hit on enter. Let's see among them which one is going to actually get us the result within the fastest time. And you can see Claude Sonnet is actually doing the magic because it's doing it faster, even though you can see DeepSeek also popped up pretty fast. So I think the fastest now in this case is DeepSeek because it gave us all the chemical formulas, and while the Claude Sonnet is second, and you can see ChatGPT 5 is still thinking about what to bring out from the results. So basically you can see DeepSeek is much faster. It thoughts, then it just delivers the results really pretty fast compared to Claude Sonnet. And even the depth of the content, you can see DeepSeek also gave us better and more content than the other ones. And you can see ChatGPT 5 is still thinking up to this point as regards to what it is going to generate for us. So if you are looking for quality, or if you are looking to look at the speed and accuracy, I think Claude Sonnet and DeepSeek are much faster, even though we'll give some time to see what the ChatGPT 5 is going to come up with. Okay, I've got another case when I ask it what is photosynthesis and how does it affect humans. Okay, so take a look at the responses that it got. It is pretty fast. I think in this case also the DeepSeek also got the fastest in terms of speed, and then the content as well. It is very detailed. And look at the ChatGPT 5. This is the last option. So let's look and see whether it has finished the thinking from here, which it is still doing. Possibly when we try to refresh, maybe you can get something out of it. Okay, but then the message is that you can go ahead, compare, contrast, and then you can have this. You can remove a model, you can add a model if you're interested, or you can get to check the settings. You can clear a chart if you're interested, and so on. So at any given point you hit on this, it is going to clear the entire chart, and then maybe prompted with this, I say yes, and this is going to clear the chart for this. You can clear this chart for this as well. Okay, and then you can clear the chart for this one as well. So very easily you can just go ahead and take start or no on to see what you are going to create. So I think this basically does it for this simple tutorial on how to use the prompt AI to compare the effectiveness or the speed of different types of models. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.